Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Twitter feed. To know how to fix or how to solve Twitter feed, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Twitter and you will enter. Then in this page here you will go to click force stop. After that you will enter to storage. When you will end this, you will enter to clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And after all that, when you will end this, when you will know how to fix Twitter feed, you should just go to update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.